Hi, this is Ben, and this is the AllZone Rustproof Shower Caddy Corner. Let me show you the features, then I'll show you how to put it up. We were in need of a new shower caddy for the kids' bathroom, and this works perfectly. It is an adjustable tension rod, so it was simple to put together and install. The poles are stainless steel, and the baskets are also steel and rustproof. There are two plastic ends at the top and the bottom to hold it in place. These baskets are adjustable, so you can put them in any order or at any height that you want. I really like that there is one basket with hooks, as well as this washcloth holder, or really it can be used to hang anything you want. This is perfect for having multiple people sharing a shower who want to keep their products and accessories separated and organized. As far as putting it together, all the items came packed in plastic. First, I got all of the pieces out. It comes with 3 regular poles and 1 height adjustable pole, the top and bottom plastic pieces, these rubber collars that are used to hold the baskets in place, 4 baskets, and the washcloth rack. There's also this adhesive holder to place on the wall to hold the middle of the pole, but I'm not going to bother with that on this. The first step is to just assemble the poles by fitting the small ends into the large ends. The long tension rod will go at the top of the pole. Now you will have to measure the height from the tub rim to the ceiling. For me, I only needed 2 of the short poles plus the long pole. 3 was too long. The instructions say to make the pole about 2 inches longer than the space. So for me, the height I measured in the tub was 81 inches, so the pole needed to be around 83 inches. I then put the top plastic end on and slid all the baskets onto the poles. As far as the rubber stoppers, these have arrows on them, so you want to have the arrow pointing up. And then you just wrap the stopper around the pole wherever you want the basket to be, then pull the basket down over the rubber stopper and it holds it into place. I just put the lowest one on for now. Then to install the pole, place the top of the pole in position, and then I push up on the entire pole and then place the bottom one in position. The spring inside will hold it in place. After this, you can just add the rubber stoppers wherever you want to put the shelves and adjust them to the height and locations where you want them to be. And these are easy to change around at any time. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.